Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Deived. They call me David. Some call me King. But today I'm not playing any Roblox games. Today we're taking a look at the stock market and the crypto market and what is happening in the world. You already know. We do this every day, guys. We do this every day. And markets are red after yesterday's bounce. New port fees with China hit today. Powell speaks later, and banks are reporting. We'll keep this super simple. Heat map, crypto bubbles, and by the way, thank you very much for 1 million. 1 million global streams on Billonario. Shout out to Tic Nervio. He collaborated with me in this amazing song, and I'm very, very proud. I'm gonna hang that there with my YouTube plaque very soon, bro. I don't have a YouTube plaque, but it will be there. You'll see. You'll see. Remember me, bro. But anyways, I want to say thank you all for the amazing support, bro. Okay, subscribe now and drop your ticker coin. We'll put it live, guys. Yes, sir. And I'm going to do a quick poll. Do you think tariff news cools off this week or gets worse? Let me know in the comment section, in the chat. Okay. S&P, ladies and gentlemen, negative 0.9%, Nasdaq negative 1.1%, and the Dow futures is negative 0.7%. Why? Port fees start today, guys. Tariff headlines and light data due to shutdown. Powell will be speaking later as well. And note, banks, JP Morgan, guide up, and Goldman Sachs, okay, pressured by expenses. Sorry, guys. Whoosh. Let's take a look at the stock market heat map. Let's review that. Let's see how we closed yesterday. So yesterday, it was actually a good day. It was green and gray. Not bad. AVGO had 9.8%, guys. Wow, that's insane. Tesla 5.4%. Wow, that's pretty good. Amazon 1.7%, 3% for now, 3% for APP, CRM 2.9%, Google 3.2%. It was actually a good day. Micron, Mu 6.15%, bro. But we had some downside in communications, T-Mobile and AT&T. And other stuff. Okay, guys. But now I just want to go ahead and take a quick look at gold, because gold has been that bullish asset that hasn't stopped for a while, bro. It has been going up and away. 4,117, bro. I told you, bro. I told you we were gonna hit that area and we're gonna retrace. Look. Fibonacci, bro. It doesn't fail me. Mira. Fibonacci top to the bottom. Boom, bro. Literally, that level was the one that I told you guys that we were gonna hit, and we are starting to reject. What is gonna happen now? I'm gonna be honest. I don't know. What I do wanna see though is a pullback and create a support. I don't know if there's enough strength right now in that 4-hour candle. What I do think is that, yeah, we may have to retrace a little bit, which we already are doing. So I will suggest adding a trend line on the lower time frame, like for example 1 hour, and wait. Just wait, just as you did here, bro. Literally, you did that, the same thing here. Boom. You see, this is what I'm calling out, bro. This is what I'm calling out. If it's good enough, we create a support. We break the trend line and we continue. Gold is great doing that, bro. Gold is one of the best assets to learn technical analysis, okay? Shout out to everybody who's making money with gold, okay? New record high. Keep it simple. Safe haven plus rate cut bets plus dollar dynamics. That's why it's going up. And LT upside possible. Near-term pullback is normal after big runs. Exactly. And how high do you think gold goes, guys? And is it a bubble? Let me know. The other one that I want to check out is gonna be Bitcoin. Bitcoin 110,498. We are in a downtrend right now, guys. I'm not gonna buy anything at this moment. Maybe DCA. I already got some spots that I'm looking for. Right now we are at a spot that I like. I would like to add more, but seems to me that we may go back to 101. If we get to 101, I may add a little bit more of Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is the only one going down. We're down 4%. Ethereum, 3,135. A lot of investors thought we were out of this. Not yet, my bro. Not yet. Actually, I think this is only the beginning, bro. This is only the beginning. Let's keep an eye on it. We got bearish candles happening right now in the crypto world. Look at even, bro, XRP. What's the biggest surprise? We went as low as 1.75, currently at 2.4. So we are down, guys. I don't want to talk too much about crypto, but I have to, because a lot of people invest in crypto. I invest in crypto, but not as much as the stock market. We already know that the tensions between China and the United States are hitting this. That's why gold went off so high. So let's see. Whales actually bought yesterday. Today's a little bit softer. And keep in mind, yesterday it was Columbus Day. So the markets were lighter. Okay. If you have any other review you want me to check out, let me know. Okay, quick hit headlines. Port fees details both sides escalating schedule. Oh, Boeing 2.7 billion PAC-3 seekers. Actually pulled up this article. Boeing secures $2.7 billion in multi-year contracts to boost PAC-3 seeker production. And BA, if I'm gonna keep an eye on it, I've been keeping an eye on it. 214 currently. I got a 2-pole oscillator sell signal, so I'm gonna wait here and see if we're gonna be creating a support. I don't know where, bro. It could be either at 150s or it could be over here at 190s or where it's at right now. I'm just definitely want to watch out for this one because Boeing has great potential for upside. I just need a good confirmation, good rejection in the support line, and then we can blast off. Let's see. Oracle. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick. So Oracle, another one that we're gonna take a look at. $302 today. Yesterday closed at 308. Was doing phenomenal yesterday, and we are still in an uptrend. Look at this, still in an uptrend. Oracle, you already know, is the new owner of TikTok, I believe. Oracle 50k AMD GPUs for 2026, guys. So two things out of this: Oracle and AMD. Oracle 302, still in an uptrend. If you're not in, I will say wait for this to retrace once again and wait for that downtrend trend line to be broken, as we did here. Just as we did here. Just as we did here. So wait for that and you'll get a good position. And AMD, let's take a look at it. Yeah, because things don't go up forever, guys. Right now we're in a pullback, okay? AMD 216, by the way, 219 already pre-market. This one is doing phenomenal. We're doing very well. Called it out over here at at about $100. We're doing good. We created higher highs. Will it sustain itself? I don't know, bro. We're getting to overbought territory in the monthly, so wanna be very, very careful with these prices. By the way, guys, don't forget to like the live stream and subscribe if you're new. Google, $15 billion India AI hub. That means there's going to be more jobs and more capacity. You can see here, this is the article where I pull it out. And Google today from 244.15 to 240. So the market is definitely pulling back, and we are overbought on the weekly, bro. This could be a drop opportunity, okay? Just watch out for Google if it does retrace back down. And there's another one that I wanted to review. It's called Microbot Medical. Microbot Medical secures US-based logistics partner to commercialize Liberty system. And I've been keeping an eye on MBOT. I actually got some shares. We have been doing very, very well. Currently at $2.93 pre-market. Yesterday we were at 3. This actually went up to 467, and I still think it can go higher, but we reached a resistance, which I already marked up. Look, this is so close, bro. It's so small. Let me see if I'm able to pull this up right there. Okay, you can see that we did have a resistance, okay, and we rejected it, so that's why we're down. We may have to go down a little bit more, maybe to retest the trend line. Maybe 250s could be a great price point. And I'm gonna keep a trend line like this, okay. We did very, very well here. The entry at $1 and now at 3. It's pretty good. Just keep an eye on that as well. And levels I'm watching today: S&P 6,625. Let me see here. Yep. 6,225. Yeah, literally the broken resistance here to become a support. 6,625. Sorry. Yep. Just to create a support. And the other one, let me see over here. Powell headlines today, guys. We gotta keep an eye on that. Bank earnings reactions. We're gonna see what's gonna happen there. Bitcoin, we're already at 110,000. That's one of the levels I was watching. And finally, if you're new, subscribe, like, and share the stream, guys. Members get priority chat requests, super chats. Well, go ahead and submit whatever ticker or coin you want me to do a technical analysis, or maybe dig around a little bit in the news. We analyze your pick live for 60 seconds with entries levels. And gracias por el apoyo, guys. Let's see over here. And is the market open? Not yet. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes for the market open. Three more minutes. Salud, everybody. Salud. Salud. Two more minutes for the market open. We are red. DXY 99.28, no, 27. Whoosh. Now it has to retrace back down. Man, I had already this laid out, bro. Look at that, man. Dime qué, cómo va, dónde es. Dice, uy, DXY, go low. If there's a buying opportunity here for euro, maybe. Is the market open? One more minute. Oh my God, one more minute. 16 people watching. Let's go. Guys, if you're new, subscribe and like. Market will open in a little bit. By the way, thank you very much for the million streams in Billonario, guys. You guys did this, bro. Thank you very much. I feel very proud of this, bro. Market has opened. Let's go ahead and refresh this page. Let's see how red we are. Yeah, we are red, bro. Nvidia negative 1.8, EVGO negative 1.8, Micron negative 3%. Wow, yesterday we did 6. Now it's like out. Oracle 5%, bro. Oracle. CrowdStrike is up 3%. D-Dog is actually up 3%. Walmart 1.8. So there's still some stuff that is going up. Look, the banks are going up. Wells Fargo is actually 4.5%. Morgan Stanley is up 2.1%. Maybe because of the earnings and people are like, oh, let's go. Tesla down 2%. CVX 2% up. T-Mobile up 2%. Yesterday had a loss. Nike 3% up. Not bad. I mean, there's red. There's more red than green though. Bro, freaking crypto is nasty. Look at this. Crypto is nasty, bro. Wow, it's nasty, bro. Nasty. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I have to do something very important. We already talked about it, bro. Yeah, China. China and US making this mess. I hope that you guys are safe. Stay safe, bro. Don't invest like you just wanna buy something. Just wait, bro. Wait for a little bit, guys. We will have a better opportunity very soon. You already know, guys. If you like this live stream, go ahead and like it. Subscribe if you're new. You already know we do these videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day, bro. Let's go.